Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be taking a look at some dunk lows. These are known as the Miami Hurricanes. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. Today we'll be talking about a Nike Dunk Low, this time in this nice pop of color, and these are known as the Miami Hurricanes. We'll start off with the overview, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this bright pop of colorway. Then we will conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Again, these are known as the Miami Hurricane colors. So we've got this bright pop of orange on the front of the toe box, as well as this nice evergreen colorway. The laces also have that pop of bright orange, and underneath the tongue, you'll see that we've got more of that pop of orange color scheme going on for the nylon, as well as a different subtle shade of orange. It's still bright, but not as bright, I would say, on the tongue here with the Nike logo in the green colorway. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so moving along to the side panels, we've got underlays of that bright pop of orange, overlays of this green, and then we do have some orange stitching as well, which you can see on top of the green swoosh here. Working our way to the back, we have Nike embroidered in orange on top of the evergreen colorway and green and orange for the insole. The sneaker is then completed with a white midsole and a green outsole. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I am a 7.5, which is a woman's size 9. I do have higher arch narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when you're deciding on what size will work best for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, really fun pop of colorway that we've got here. This bright pop of orange and this nice just evergreen colorway really is a nice combination, so I wanted to play off those both of those two colorways. For the first look, I decided to wear a nice evergreen knitted sweater, and that was in a turtleneck, and the green just matched and complemented this so perfectly. And then I wore some sweatpants that were cargo sweatpants in a cream colorway. For the second look, I dressed up a bit and decided to go with some sequins on a sequin mini skirt with a sequin top. And then for the last and final look, I wore an orange ribbed turtleneck to kind of play off of this neon orange color scheme here. And then I wore a nice just evergreen skirt to really just complement this with the same color blocking as my clothes. All right, so you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Holy moly, guacamole in my pockets, what a blessing. Got it on me, I got options, real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin', eating good. Feeling good, where my hopping done at. Put it on a plate with some lemonade. That's the way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk up, play. But you better not come home like yeah. Street lights, we was young racing. Street lights, carefree was the best time. Fast forward, daydreaming about the next time. When it's gonna happen again, cause I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up. Meet me at the spot. Up all night to the sunrise. Pop back cool. Get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good?
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $110 and they are currently going for $120 to $175. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.